The 2025 Range Rover isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete revolution in ride quality. This isn't driving, it's gliding. We're diving into the three main reasons why the newest Range Rover is, without a doubt, the smoothest luxury SUV ever built. Let's go! First up, the incredible engineering that keeps you floating. It's called the electronic air suspension with adaptive dynamics. This isn't just air suspension, it's a predictive system. It monitors the road up to 500 times a second. It literally primes the suspension for the corners and bumps before you even hit them. Point 1. Electronic air suspension. It constantly adjusts the ride height and stiffness for optimal comfort, whether you're cruising on the highway or hitting a gravel track. Point 2. Dynamic Response Pro. This is the key. It uses active electronic roll control to minimize body lean during cornering. That means no more rocking and swaying, just a smooth, stable, effortless curve. Smoothness isn't just about what you feel, it's about what you don't hear. Welcome to your personal sound sanctuary. The 2025 Range Rover uses a cutting-edge next-generation active noise cancellation system. It's truly a world first. Point 1. Noise-canceling speakers. Microphones inside the wheel wells detect unwanted road and tire noise, and the sound system, including those amazing headrest speakers, emits a canceling frequency. Point 2. Individual quiet zones. Yes, the headrest speakers create a quiet bubble for each passenger. You can be on a call while your kid watches a movie, and neither is disturbed. Point 3. Acoustic glass. Pair that tech with thick, laminated acoustic glass on all windows, and you get an interior quieter than most recording studios. Road rage? What road rage? You're too zen in here to even notice the traffic. Finally, the sheer luxury of the cabin contributes massively to the feeling of smoothness. Every touchpoint is designed to eliminate friction and stress. Point 1. Hot stone massage seats. Yes, you can get 24-way adjustable seats with a hot stone massage function. Heated armrests, cooled seats, it's a spa on wheels. Point 2. All-wheel steering. This technology makes the massive SUV feel nimble like a much smaller car. At low speeds, the rear wheels turn opposite to the front, giving it a tighter turning circle than some hatchbacks. That means smooth, easy maneuvering in parking lots and city streets. Point 3. Seamless power delivery. The powerful mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains, including the silky smooth inline-6 ensure acceleration is delivered with effortless grace. Not jarring gear shifts. This is a luxury experience where you don't just ride in the car, you ride with the car, even with all this comfort. The Range Rover doesn't forget its DNA. Terrain Response 2 automatically selects the best vehicle settings, ensuring that glassy smooth ride quality is maintained whether you're on a manicured road or crossing a muddy field. It's the ultimate blend of refinement and capability. The 2025 Range Rover uses a trio of advanced systems: the predictive suspension, the active noise cancellation, and the opulent, tech-forward interior to deliver a ride quality that truly earns the title of smoothest SUV ever. What feature makes your dream drive smooth? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury car deep dives. See you next time.